Welcome to Fasty. Of course, I am James Ifani Uzochiko. In this video, I'll teach you how to unsubscribe from View. What do I mean by unsubscribing from View 3? Simply how to unlink your ATM card from View 3. That is from Gemini. That is from Google. You want to deactivate. You want to unsubscribe. This video is meant for you. Before I continue, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please do so. Okay, turn on the notification bell and don't forget to like and share. Let's dive in. Go to your browser, of course. Go to your browser and open your Gmail. Okay, I open my Gmail. The Gmail that you linked this email. Remember, while you were creating your account with VO3, you use a particular email. So now that email, go and open it. Okay, you can see this is my own email, of course, and click on this what's it called now, this bar here. You will have this, so click on accounts. When you click on account, it will open up. Once it opens, by your left hand side you see payment and subscription. Click on it. Of course, you have the first one, manage payment method. Just ignore this, go down. You saw what I did, ignore. Manage subscription, click on this. What I want to do is click on this Google one, of course. Then I have cancel subscription. Order. Decline to answer. Yes, I can decline to answer. It's my choice. So continue. The subscription will be cancelled at the end of your billing period on August, and you won't be charged anymore. At this date, you will no longer have access to this benefit from. You can change your mind anytime before cancellation. Cancel subscription. Keep subscription. Your subscription will be cancelled at the end of your billing period on August. Please cancel my subscription. Is that not why you are here? They should cancel it. Cancel subscription. You have successfully cancelled your subscription. So, okay. So, cancelled. I think. So, if you want to resubscribe again, you can resubscribe. Someone is saying, so what if I go to my VO3 and see if it will work? Let's go and see. Let's explore. I'm equally curious, the same way you are. So let's go and see. So, of course, I'm still seeing Pro. Hope I'm safe. 190. Get more credit. My library. Manage membership. This well. I'm seeing Pro. I don't know how this Pro works, but let's get back to where we're coming from. So, on this now, I've gotten your Google One subscription. It has been cancelled. So, this is it. To be cancelled today. To be cancelled. It's a pity. So, this is how to cancel your subscription. Whenever you have done it and then you don't want to do it again, you can cancel it. Someone is asking, but what about my card that is here? Well, your card that is here will not be debited because, of course, there is no, you didn't subscribe to anything, so nothing is going in. So click on remove. It's gone. So as far as we're concerned, you are good to go. And of course, no more billing. So let's refresh again and see if we are still on Pro. I believe that they will cancel it before today runs out. Okay, so already I'm seeing that subscribe of a thing. So let's go generate. It's still generating, but it will not last. Okay, so this is how to cancel your subscription and to remove your card from your Google. All right, so with this we have come, of course, to the very end of this tutorial. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do well to do that, and of course drop on the comment section whatever challenge you encountered while trying to unsubscribe from this particular subscription, or to remove your card. Just just let me know and I'll respond to you in a jiffy. Thank you very much, and of course, bye bye.